A new color. So I don't know if you can tell, but these extensions, the hair given hair, doesn't really match or blend too well with my natural hair, and so I'm trying to fix that. I'll be using the Revlon Colorsilk Beautiful Color in soft black. It's only like $2.99 at Target. Bold As I Am temporary color. So I'm gonna start off with this one to just get all of the extensions to match with my natural hair, and I'll be using this for the ends, just like highlights. I'm not trying to do the whole thing, just want highlights, and I want to try something new for 2022. All right. And then you're gonna pour all the ammonia-free colorant. Wait, snip off this. This is the cream developer. Pour all the ammonia-free colorant to, this is 2, you pour this into that. All right, let's do that. All right, everything is in there now. When it says replace the cream color developer, also tap securely, place gloved hand finger over open tip, pointing away from your face. Pointing away from my face. So here's what we have, and I can already see the color here coming through a little bit. I don't know if you can tell, but it was definitely not this black before. So I'm going to give it some time, like it says 25 minutes, but I'll give this like 2 minutes. So it's supposed to have a conditioner, yes. The second step will be to apply after color conditioner and wash it out. And then once it dries, we'll try and do this. My goal is to just use it on the tips, and I am so excited. Okay, so it is the As I Am Bold Gold Temporary Color. So it looks like, and it's like a paste. Looks like a paste. It's a weird paste. Alright, so let's see. Ooh. Wow, this is interesting. Ooh. I think this is fine. This turnout, guys, I absolutely love this. 2 pointers quickly if you want to try the As I Am temporary bold gold color. The first one is you want to use this the day off whenever you want this particular hairstyle. You don't want to do what I tried to do yesterday, which is sleep overnight and then, you know, have it dry a bit more, because I did this morning, earlier this morning, this was more greenish. So first thing, don't do it and try to dry it overnight. Use it the day off. Second point is, if you have really black hair like I have, then you might want to do almost 4 additional applications till the hair almost looks orange. And then when it dries, it's gonna look gold. Because if you just do 1 application like I did yesterday and sleep, it's gonna look green. And thank you for watching. Let me know if you're going to give this a shot. And also, this will not look like this by tomorrow, and I'm not trying to keep it for church or like, you know, work or anything like that. I'm just trying to, you know, try something new for the holidays. So thank you for watching. I love you, loves you more. Happy New Year. I pray that this is a blessed year for all of us, and we continue to love on God, love on our neighbors, love on our families, love on our friends, and I'll see you soon.